Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can make a Amritsari Chana. See this chickpea curries, you will definitely like this. Please watch this video. I will show you in detail how you can cook that, and in the end please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So to start the process, I have taken 9 mm chickpea. You have 12 mm also in the market, but it is a bit hard and it takes extra time when you are cooking in the pressure cooker. So I have used this bowl size 4 of these balls of chickpeas, and you have to soak in the overnight in some of the utensils. So you need to wash these chickpeas and then soak it for overnight in a utensil for around 8 hours, roughly 7 to 8 hours. For overnight will be fine. So just in a water. So now is the time for cooking now in the pressure cooker. So now my chickpeas are in the pressure cooker and I have added around 3 cups of the water. So now I am adding this raw Indian spices in the pressure cooker before I put it on the flame. So these are 4 bay leaves, then this is cinnamon stick, and then I have 4 green cardamom, and I have 2 black cardamom. I will be using these 2 black tea bags from Lipton. So I won't use it, put it directly in the pressure cooker. So now I will be adding some raw Indian spicy. So these are my bay leaves. So this is my cinnamon sticks, and this is the black cardamom, 2 of that. So these are my 4 green cardamom, so I am adding that also. Plus I will be using this Lipton black tea bags, but I won't put it directly. I will be rather putting the hot water and use the tea water. So now I will be adding just a pinch of baking soda. So this is my baking soda. So I am adding the tea water just for the proper color. I have to just put it on and wait for the 3 whistle for pressure cooker, so which will be taking around 20 minutes time. Now I will be using these following spices to prepare my paste to add up in the chickpeas. So firstly I am taking the 1 red Spanish onion, and then I am using the paste of Italian diced tomato. So I have to prepare the paste properly in a mixer, and then I will be using the 3 green chilies, and then either you can use fresh, but I am using this garlic and ginger paste, so you can buy from any of the Indian grocery store. And then I will be using this this is a hot chili, red chili, degi mirch, and this is coriander powder, and plus I need garam masala, and plus this special, because there are so many spices, so I'm using this chole masala. So you can buy from any of the Indian grocery store, plus of course the salt as per your taste. So now I have the chopped red Spanish onion and plus chopped green chilies. Now I am using a rice bran oil around 30 ml. You can use any of the cooking oil like sunflower oil or vegetable oils. You have to add just a pinch of cumin seeds. Now I will be adding the chopped onion in the hot oil. So you have to be a bit careful. Now you just have to flip the chopped onion and make it a bit brownish in the color. Now I will be adding the chopped green chilies. You just have to mix that up properly. So now my onion is golden brown, so I am adding 1 spoon of this is ginger and garlic paste. So I am adding that. Now I will be adding the diced tomato paste in my onion paste. So now I am adding 1 spoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder, which is degi mirch, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, plus half teaspoon of average chole masala, chickpea masala. You can get it from any of the Indian store, and you have to mix them all. Now my Indian spices mix is ready, so I have to just add up in my the thing, just sprinkle that, and you need to mix that up properly. Now you just have to put up the lid and put it for around 2 minutes. So my this mix is ready for chickpeas to be added in that. Slowly release the pressure in the cooker, and when you are make sure that there is no pressure in the cooker, then you can open the lid. So now my chickpeas are all boiled, so I have to just add up in the mix. So now I have added the chickpeas in my masala mixture, so it is all good. See, you can see the color, and just put it on the low flame for around 5 minutes. So to make the gravy thick, you have to just take some of the chickpeas and just have to crush that and then add up in the mixture. So I have made the paste of chickpeas, boiled chickpeas, and I will be mixing up in the solution so that my gravy is a bit thicker and it is nice to taste. Now my chickpea curry is ready. You can see that